Portable picnic table. A small, portable table provides an on-the-go surface suitable for camping, beach trips, tailgates, and other outdoor activities. Easy to use. Set up this table in under a minute with adjustable flipping legs that change the height from 6.4 in tall to 4.3 in tall, and secure with the stabilizing slip joint. On the go. Fold this lightweight table up and carry it to your next location with the included slip bag. Durable. Built for the outdoors, this table features a high-quality aluminum tabletop and a powder-coated frame that can endure all of your outdoor excursions. Portable size. Weighs 1.5 pounds and measures 16 x 3.6 by 2.3 when folded for transportation, 16 x 9 by 6.4 in its tallest, fully assembled form. Top reviews from the United States. A beach must-have. I purchased this table 3 years ago and felt the need to come back and write a review. We take this table on our beach vacations. It folds up neatly and fits perfect in the beach bag. Once unfolded, it's super sturdy and doesn't budge. We keep our speaker, phones, etc. on it to keep those items out of the sand. I assume it's just as handy for camping.